Beneath the vast celestial web, we gather, souls encoded with starlight, drawn together to remember, activate, and expand. Tonight the sun stands at 25 degrees of Aquarius, illuminating the higher frequencies of the collective evolution, whilst the Rowan moon is at 8 degrees of Leo, reminding us to radiate our inner brilliance. Opposites in the sky, these two luminaries ask us, how can we balance individuality with unity? How do we shine without dimming one another? With the North Node at 29 degrees of Pisces and the South Node at 0 degrees of Aries, we stand on this threshold of surrender and initiation. The past and the future touch, calling us to release control and trust the currents of the cosmos. Of the crunch, I was about to say. Let us move into this night with open hearts ready to receive. Yes. For all is magic, the channeling of Bridget, Rowan, Leo, heart. It's all about heart, our individual hearts and our collective hearts. So don't be surprised if when you meditate, you see lions for Leo, you see Bridget, you see the sacred flame, you see like it's maiden energy, it's purity, it's unsullied, it's hope, it's collaboration, it's inspiration, all of this. And for this wonderful thing, I have created a spray. I channeled a spray. It's useful always useful to make things on a full moon, capturing all the magic. So this particular beauty has in it, let me think, it has abovitae, it has blue tansy, it has rosemary, it has sandalwood, and it has cypress. And it smells amazing, and it literally captures this. And this is an aura spray, and the point of this is to use it to enlighten your dreams, to give you psychic protection, to enhance your psychic abilities, to keep you safe. It's just, yeah, it's there. It's very, very magical. If you want one, it's 15 for a small 10ml spray, handbag size, plus packaging, and for a large one, it's 35 because it's 100 mils. Very heavy and full of very gorgeous, expensive oils. If I spray it around me now, I am literally bringing in that energy that I've just been talking about. So enjoy your full moon. Be conscious of your full moon. Make the most of it. Really consider what I've asked you to consider. How do we shine without dimming one another? Blessed be.